Use Google Translate correctly when traveling to Japan. First trip to Japan. I'm looking forward to it, but can you speak Japanese? Today, I will tell you some keywords that you can ask politely when you are in trouble in Japan. Please enter this English sentence into Google Translate and translate it into Japanese. I wrote a sentence in the pinned comment of this video. Please make a copy. Japanese translation of this sentence.
こんにちは。私はアメリカから観光客として日本に来ました。本当に申し訳ありません。私は日本語が話せません。この電話は英語を日本語に翻訳します。日本について質問があります。5分ほどお時間をいただいてもよろしいでしょうか？大丈夫なら OK って言ってください。時間がない場合は No と言ってください。
This Japanese translation is very polite Japanese for Google Translate, and there are few Japanese people who feel uncomfortable. If you're curious about the content of this video, please show it to your friends who know a lot about Japan and Japanese friends. If there are Japanese who complain about this video,
hello, Japanese people who don't know honorifics. Today is...
It's not your turn today. Sleep well. That's the end of the joke. Finally, let me tell you something important. There is no problem if you use the sentences I talked about today, but as a Japanese person, I would be happy if you could use simple Japanese. For example, hello and thank you in English. I'm happy just to hear these two words in real Japanese. Hello in English is konnichiwa in Japanese. Thank you very much in English is arigato gozaimasu. Japanese looks difficult, but once you learn it, it's fun. Enjoy your trip to Japan. Leave a comment if you have any questions about the Japanese language or speaking with Japanese people. I will make another video with questions that might help you guys.
Hi, bro. Please subscribe to the channel.